channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. This is on a, I forgot what size it is. 16 by 20 inch Artist Lofts canvas. I got some new colors this weekend. I went to the Blick store in Omaha, which is about an hour away from me, and I got some really fun colors. I believe it's like their brand. This is the Violet, which is really pretty. Really pretty color. Dropping stuff all over. And then I got the Florescent Magenta. This is a turquoise. This is a fluorescent blue. And then I got a fluorescent violet. So I'm just going to do something fun today with these colors. I'm going to be using white for my base. Put my base down here. Some good air bubbles in there. I just mixed my paints up a little bit ago. I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you all enjoy the video and you will like and subscribe and share. All that fun jazz. Helps my channel out tremendously if you do that. If you're new, thank you for watching today. Hopefully you will enjoy it and do the same with the notifications and hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I put my next video up. I put up a video every Sunday and every Wednesday, and then sometimes I do it a few times more, or one or two times, one time sometimes for sure, depending on what's going on. Alright, I'm going to torch this. I do want to thank everybody who commented on my video the other day about my cousin, and I appreciate all of the kind words that everybody said. And it was a tough weekend, but we got through it. His kids are doing good. Like I said, he had 5 boys. I think 5 or 6 boys. All right, so let's see. I'm just gonna kind of do. Putting some white here on my palette knife. I went to the Blick store, Art and Materials store this weekend for the first time I've ever been in one. Oh my goodness. So much stuff in there. I was like, oh what do I buy? What do I don't buy? I had to control myself. There's so much stuff, but I was kind of bummed because I wanted to get some more Amsterdam paints, like some different colors. And I guess you gotta order them online. They didn't have any in the store, so I was kind of bummed about that. I was hoping they were gonna have some there, but that's okay. I'll order them online. But I do want everybody to know that I am now affiliated with Blick Art and Materials. So if you want to go and order online, if you hit I have a description link in the description. So if you go hit that, that helps me out. I get a percentage of the sales, which is amazing. I'm so excited about. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Right now they do have some sales going on. I believe that, like, if you spend so much, you get gift cards, electronic gift cards for like a certain amount or whatever. But I'll put all that information in my description, so if you do want to go on there, you can, if you would. They have some pretty good stuff on there. So many different types of paints, like you can imagine, like all the good stuff, and all kinds of tools, different palette knives. Yeah, it's online is amazing, but like if you want Amsterdam paints, you have to order those online. So but if you check out the description, whenever they have some good sales going on, like I can get let you know, and then you can like I forgot what I was gonna say. If there's any codes you need to use, I'll have them in the description. But right now there's just they have different sales going on for different products. It'll be online though if you click on there, and then like I said, they have the electronic gift cards for so much. If you spend so much, you get like $10 electronic gift card or more. You get, a little bit more too. So go check it out. I'm also affiliated with Arteza now, which I'm super, super, super excited about. And so if you want to go buy some Arteza paints, if you hit the link in my description, that would be amazing. There's a couple craft stores that I'm affiliated with now too as well. If you're interested in that type of stuff, just click the link. But anyway, these colors are beautiful together.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that that you were safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
I wish you guys could tell me, should I do something through here or leave it? I kind of like how this is broken up, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do something in here. This blue. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot better. A lot better. I think I like it. I think I like it just how it is now. I definitely like this better now with some more color going through there. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I like it. Alright, so I'm bringing it down for a close-up. I love it. The colors are so beautiful. They're so vibrant. Like I said, this is the brand. But just look at, they're so vibrant. Got some pretty cells, some lacing going on. I kind of miss the shimmer, but I like it. But you'll have to tell me what you guys think. If you like the colors. Have you used this brand before? I think Rose from Rose M Creations. I believe she said she uses the titanium white. But they had a good sale going on, so I got these ones, and I thought, I love the neon colors, the fluorescent colors. They're just pretty. But anyway, I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. You will like and subscribe and share all that fun stuff, and that helps my channel out. And like I said, if you are interested in buying anything from Blick Art Materials, you can hit in my description. I'll have a link to their website. Also with Arteza, I also have a link with BeeBee Crafts and LBeads, LBeads, not beans. They got some really pretty crystals and like gems for making jewelry and stuff. So yeah, but I do thank everybody for watching, and I hope everybody is healthy, safe from COVID, and all, just healthy in general. Have a good day, everybody. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.